Welcome to Mastering Personal Dynamics using D.I.S.C Insights. Let's practice what we've learned about the 4 behavioral styles. Pause this session and reflect on each of the behavioral aspects presented. Then, please write down your thoughts on them. How do you think each of the D.I.S.C styles would behave, react, think, etc., in various aspects of their life and work? Use the template provided in this section for ease of reference. Pause this session now and resume once you are done. Welcome back. Now that you have considered the statements, let us compare the notes. This is where the real learning happens, as we unpack our observations together. You can follow along and add further insights to your own observations. Presented here is a representation that provides insights into how dominant D behaves across various aspects of their life and work, based on the principles of the D.I.S.C model. Products they buy. Dominant Ds typically buy products that are practical, efficient, and provide immediate results or solutions. They prefer items that enhance productivity or offer a competitive edge. Attitude towards change. Dominant Ds tend to have a mixed attitude towards change. While they may embrace change that aligns with their goals or benefits them, they can be resistant to changes that disrupt their plans or require significant adaptation. Conflict management. Dominant Ds approach conflict head-on and prefer to resolve it quickly and decisively. They are assertive and may adopt a confrontational stance to address issues, aiming for a swift resolution to maintain control and efficiency. Driving style. Dominant Ds exhibit a fast-paced and assertive driving style. They are likely to drive aggressively, take charge of the road, and navigate obstacles with confidence and determination. Office decoration. Dominant Ds prefer functional and minimalist office decorations that convey professionalism and efficiency. Their workspace may feature practical furniture, organized layouts, and motivational posters or awards highlighting achievements. Notable gestures. Dominant Ds may exhibit assertive gestures such as firm handshakes, direct eye contact, and decisive body language. They convey confidence and authority through their movements and expressions. Typical goal. A typical goal for a dominant D could be achieving measurable success, such as increasing sales revenue by a certain percentage, leading a successful project launch, or securing a prominent leadership position. Standing body posture. Dominant Ds often stand tall with an upright posture, projecting confidence and assertiveness. They may have a commanding presence, with squared shoulders and a forward-leaning stance that exudes determination. Phone communication. Dominant Ds typically talk on the phone in a direct and efficient manner, focusing on conveying information succinctly and achieving desired outcomes. They may sound brisk or authoritative, expecting prompt action or responses. Tone with others. Dominant Ds usually communicate with others in a direct and assertive tone, emphasizing clarity and effectiveness. They may sound authoritative or commanding, aiming to influence and inspire action from those around them. Stress relief. To relieve stress, dominant Ds often engage in physical activities or competitive pursuits that offer a sense of control and accomplishment. They may enjoy exercising, participating in sports, or tackling challenging tasks head-on. Walking style. Dominant Ds walk with purpose and determination, exhibiting a brisk pace and confident stride. They move with energy and assertiveness, conveying a sense of urgency and readiness to tackle challenges proactively. Magazine preferences. Dominant Ds typically read magazines focused on leadership, business self-improvement, or practical skills development. They may prefer publications that offer strategies for achieving success, managing teams, or enhancing productivity. Presented here is a representation that provides insights into how dominant I behaves across various aspects of their life and work based on the principles of the D.I.S.C model. Products they buy. Dominant Is typically buy products that are trendy, fashionable, and socially appealing. They prefer items that enhance their image, provide entertainment, or facilitate social interactions. Attitude towards change. Dominant Is generally have a positive attitude towards change. They are adaptable and thrive in dynamic environments where they can express creativity and engage with others. They embrace change as an opportunity for excitement and growth. Conflict management. Dominant Is tend to avoid conflict and prioritize maintaining harmony and positive relationships. They may employ diplomacy, charm, and persuasion to diffuse tensions and seek consensus rather than confrontation. Driving style. Dominant Is exhibit a sociable and expressive driving style. They may enjoy driving as a means of socializing, playing music, and engaging in conversation with passengers. They prioritize enjoyment and interaction on the road. Office decoration. Dominant Is prefer vibrant and visually appealing office decorations that reflect their personality and interests. Their workspace may feature colorful decor, personal mementos, and collaborative areas for socializing with colleagues. Notable gestures. Dominant Is may exhibit expressive gestures such as animated hand movements, friendly smiles, and enthusiastic body language. They convey warmth, openness, and a sense of connection through their engaging mannerisms. Typical goal. A typical goal could be achieving recognition or popularity, such as becoming a top performer in sales, gaining a leadership position in a social group, or organizing successful events that attract attention and admiration. Standing body posture. Dominant Is often stand with an open and relaxed posture, projecting confidence and approachability. They may have a relaxed stance with open arms and a welcoming demeanor that invites interaction and engagement. Phone communication. Dominant Is typically talk on the phone in a lively and expressive manner, focusing on building rapport and fostering connections. They may sound enthusiastic or charismatic, using engaging conversation to charm and influence others. Tone with others. Usually communicate with others in a friendly and enthusiastic tone, emphasizing positivity and warmth. They may sound energetic or upbeat, aiming to inspire excitement and create a favorable impression on those around them. Stress relief. To relieve stress, Dominant Is often engage in social activities or creative pursuits that offer enjoyment and relaxation. They may enjoy socializing with friends, attending events, or expressing themselves through art or music. Walking style. Dominant Is walk with energy and enthusiasm, exhibiting a lively and dynamic stride. They move with fluidity and expressiveness, conveying a sense of vitality and sociability as they navigate their surroundings with flair. Magazine preferences. Dominant Is typically read magazines focused on entertainment, fashion, lifestyle, or social trends. They may prefer publications that offer celebrity news, fashion tips, travel inspiration, or insights into popular culture and trends. This layout provides insights into how a Dominant S behaves across various aspects of their life and work, based on the principles of the D.I.S.C model. Products they buy. Dominant S individuals typically buy products that prioritize reliability, durability, and practicality. They prefer items that offer comfort, security, and long-term value, such as trusted brands known for their quality and dependability. Attitude towards change. Dominant S individuals tend to approach change cautiously and prefer stability and predictability. They may feel uncomfortable with sudden or disruptive changes and prefer gradual transitions that allow them to adjust at their own pace. Conflict management. Dominant S individuals prefer to avoid conflict and prioritize maintaining harmony and stability. They may seek compromise and cooperation to resolve conflicts peacefully, avoiding confrontation and focusing on preserving relationships. Driving style. Dominant S individuals exhibit a cautious and patient driving style, prioritizing safety and adherence to rules and regulations. They may drive at moderate speeds, maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, and obey traffic laws diligently. Office decoration. Dominant S individuals prefer office decorations that create a calm and comfortable environment conducive to productivity and relaxation. Their workspace may feature soothing colors, minimalist decor, and personal touches that promote a sense of tranquility and order. Notable gestures. Dominant S individuals may exhibit calm and composed gestures, conveying a sense of serenity and stability. They may use gentle hand movements, relaxed facial expressions, and attentive body language to communicate warmth and empathy. Typical goal. A typical goal for a dominant S individual could be achieving stability and security in their personal and professional life. They may strive for long-term success, financial security, or maintaining harmonious relationships with loved ones. Standing body posture. Dominant S individuals often stand with a relaxed and composed posture, projecting a sense of calmness and assurance. They may maintain an upright stance with balanced body alignment, radiating a quiet confidence and approachability. Phone communication. Dominant S individuals typically communicate on the phone in a polite and courteous manner, focusing on listening attentively and providing thoughtful responses. They may speak calmly and softly, conveying sincerity and empathy in their tone. Tone with others. Dominant S individuals usually communicate with others in a gentle and supportive tone, emphasizing kindness and understanding. They may sound empathetic or soothing, aiming to create a comfortable and reassuring atmosphere in their interactions. Stress relief. To relieve stress, dominant S individuals often engage in calming activities that promote relaxation and well-being. They may enjoy spending time in nature, practicing mindfulness, or engaging in hobbies that offer peace and tranquility. Walking style. Dominant S individuals walk with a steady and unhurried pace, exhibiting a relaxed and composed stride. They move with stability and balance, conveying a sense of groundedness and serenity as they navigate their surroundings with ease. Magazine preferences. Dominant S individuals typically read magazines focused on lifestyle, health, home, or personal development. They may prefer publications that offer tips for relaxation, stress management, home organization, or improving relationships. This layout provides insights into how a dominant C behaves across various aspects of their life and work, based on the principles of the D.I.S.C model. Products they buy. Dominant C individuals typically buy products that emphasize quality, reliability, and functionality. They prioritize items that are well-researched, logically designed, and backed by data or reviews from reputable sources. Attitude towards change. Dominant C individuals tend to approach change cautiously and prefer detailed planning and analysis before implementing any changes. They may feel uncomfortable with uncertainty and prefer to follow established procedures and protocols. Conflict management. Dominant C individuals prefer to resolve conflicts through rational discussion and analysis of facts and evidence. They value logical reasoning and objective problem solving, seeking solutions that are fair and logical for all parties involved. Driving style. Dominant C individuals exhibit a methodical and detail-oriented driving style, prioritizing safety and adherence to rules and regulations. They may drive with precision, following traffic laws meticulously and anticipating potential risks or hazards on the road. Office decoration. Dominant C individuals prefer office decorations that promote organization, efficiency, and professionalism. Their workspace may feature neat and tidy surroundings with minimal clutter and distractions. They may incorporate tools or systems to enhance productivity and workflow management. Notable gestures. Dominant C individuals may exhibit precise and deliberate gestures, conveying a sense of focus and analytical thinking. They may use hand movements to emphasize key points or illustrate complex ideas, maintaining a composed and attentive demeanor. Typical goal. A typical goal for a dominant C individual could be achieving excellence through precision and accuracy in their work. They may strive for mastery in their field, aiming to deliver dominant quality results that meet or exceed established standards. Standing body posture. Dominant C individuals often stand with an upright and composed posture, projecting confidence and professionalism. They may maintain a straight back, square shoulders, and attentive body language, reflecting their disciplined and methodical approach to tasks. Phone communication. Dominant C individuals typically communicate on the phone in a concise and factual manner, focusing on conveying information accurately and efficiently. They may speak calmly and clearly, avoiding unnecessary small talk or emotional expressions. Tone with others. Dominant C individuals usually communicate with others in a calm and objective tone, emphasizing logic and reason over emotion. They may sound reserved or formal, prioritizing clarity and precision in their language to ensure mutual understanding. Stress relief. To relieve stress, dominant C individuals often engage in activities that stimulate their intellect or allow them to focus on tasks requiring precision and concentration. They may enjoy problem-solving puzzles, organizing their environment, or engaging in hobbies that require attention to detail. Walking style. Dominant C individuals walk with purpose and precision, exhibiting a steady and deliberate pace. They move with efficiency and control, maintaining a straight trajectory and avoiding unnecessary deviations or distractions. Magazine preferences. Dominant C individuals typically read magazines focused on topics such as science, technology, finance, or professional development. They may prefer publications that offer in-depth analysis, research findings, or practical insights into their areas of interest or expertise. Thanks for watching. If you're excited to dive deeper into your D.I.S.C personality profile, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights into personal development and team dynamics. Share your D.I.S.C style in the comments or let us know your biggest discovery from completing the survey. Remember, self-awareness is the first step to success. See you in the next video.